Okay, fellow creators, let's be real. Have you ever sat down to film a video and totally blanked out? Or maybe the idea of being on camera gives you the chills? That's where the magic of faceless YouTube channels comes in. You get to share your expertise, build a following, and honestly, maybe even make some money, all without the whole put your face out there thing. Step 1, idea generation. First things first, ideas. Sometimes they just magically appear, but most of the time, you got to dig them up. That's where ChatGPT comes in. This AI-powered tool is like your brainstorming that happens to have an encyclopedia for a brain. Let's say your niche is personal finance. You can type in a simple prompt like 5 creative video ideas about saving money, and boom, ChatGPT spits out a list of potential topics tailored just for you. Step 2, scripting superhero. Got your idea? Awesome, now it's time to write. But staring at a blank screen is zero fun. Instead of trying to come up with everything yourself, use a tool like Jasper.ai. It helps you build out your script, making sure it flows well and is actually interesting to watch. Plus, it cuts down on the whole writer's block panic. Step 3, making the video magic. Okay, here's where the fun really starts. Take that script and bring it to life within video. It's ridiculously user-friendly. You've got tons of templates, stock footage, music, all the ingredients to make a polished faceless video. Even if you've never made a video before, you'll be whipping up professional-looking content in no time. Step 4, find your audience. Video made, not so fast. You need people to actually find it. That's why I swear by vidIQ. It's your secret weapon for understanding YouTube search trends and keywords. Think of it as your guide to cracking the YouTube algorithm. vidIQ shows you what people are searching for and helps you optimize your titles and descriptions to get your videos those sweet, sweet eyeballs. Step 5, the finishing touches. A killer video needs a killer thumbnail. That's where Canva saves the day. It makes graphic design a breeze, with tons of templates and customization options so your thumbnails pop and make people want to click. And hey, let's not forget the soundtrack. Epidemic Sound is your go-to for high-quality, royalty-free background music, so you can ditch those cheesy, repetitive tunes and level up your video's vibe. Step 6, voiceovers made easy. If you're camera shy, that includes voiceovers too, right? Tools like Murph.ai have got your back. They let you choose from a range of realistic-sounding AI voices to narrate your scripts. No awkward silences, no stumbling over words, just a smooth, professional delivery. So there you have it, a sneak peek into my faceless content creation toolkit. Play around, experiment, and you'll be surprised how quickly you start making videos you're proud of.